How to make beautiful stars on a coloring sheet. Step 1. Draw star. Outlines 5-pointed star. Draw an A shape without the middle bar. Cross the legs with 2 downward diagonal lines. Connect the tips until a star shape forms. Or simply trace a star-shaped stencil or use a ruler for clean lines. Vary sizes. Draw some big stars and some tiny stars scattered around for variety. Step 2. Add fun patterns inside stars. Divide each star into sections with lines. In each section, draw different patterns: dots, zigzags, stripes, swirls, hearts, little stars. This makes coloring more fun and beautiful. Step 3. Decorate the background. Add small dots for sparkles. Draw circles, clouds, or even a moon around the stars. Draw waves of color or rays of light emanating from the stars. Coloring ideas. Here's how to color your stars beautifully. Use bright yellow or gold for classic stars. Try a rainbow effect. Color each point a different color.